Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to look at Becexy Airdrop Pre-Qualification. Right now we are going to look at the latest update, which they are still on the technical maintenance, but something is fishing. Something is not right in this project. I'm going to prove it based on the reviews I have on my WhatsApp group. And if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, do well to subscribe, like and share. Also join our WhatsApp group, Telegram channel for high value. Today, June 5th, they said the tech work update. Technical work is still ongoing and we have already resolved the main issue with Telegram ID connection. Right now, we are focusing on improving the overall system so future CEXY code drops run smoothly and the qualification process is quick and hassle-free. CEXY code drops will resume very soon. Stay tuned. So this is their latest update. Right now we are still on the maintenance, so the code will drop soon. So this is the review we got from our channel WhatsApp group, and this is one of our airlights, Gideon the Great. So on 2nd of June, he was able to get the code in time and he used the code. He was able to qualify for the airdrop. Look at his screenshots that day. Look at it now. You did it great. You have successfully submitted. So this was his update, and he said today will be among my happiest day on earth. I made it with the help of one smart admin. He shall never lack anything good. This has really given me tough time. So, and of that day, he was telling us that we should just try as much as we can that secure the code, that we should try, that definitely he's going to help us see to get the code. So that was on 2nd of June. So his next update that he said, look at what he said, total fulfillment, total applicant is 28,468 over 1. You know that is 1 million participants that will be qualified for this airdrop. And the day he joined, according to him, he said they were just 20k. Sorry, initially on that second he said they were just 20k when he succeeded in the qualification. On 3rd, he came up and said, I found out that this number of successful one in CEX.io pre-qualification code kept increasing even when they did not distribute code for 2 days now. The last code they distributed that he was qualified was on Monday, which is 2nd. On Tuesday, they came up that they are on maintenance. On Wednesday, being yesterday, there is no code there. We are still on maintenance. And today, being Thursday, 5th, they are still on maintenance. And right now, the number of people that have successfully claimed the airdrop or qualified for the airdrop has increased to 8,000. Before it was 20k. Right now, yesterday it became 28k, and yesterday and day before yesterday, 2 days ago, they did not release the code. So today, this morning, the same Gideon came up and said now is 31,302 out of 1 million. Before now was 28 plus. What is really going on? It is obvious codes are being shared secretly. I might be wrong as well, I might be right. This was what Gideon told us today. And it is true. If you check from, Gideon cannot just come and lie because he's already qualified. That was why he has access to the number of qualified users. So me and you that are not qualified, we cannot see this data. So he has this data. That's why he's saying it. Who are they sharing the code secretly? That's the question. That means these people are not transparent, because if they're transparent, they will not be doing all these things. They will not be sharing the code secretly while they have not dropped the code for 2 days. Now, Gideon is here to advise us as a group. He said, fam, I will advise us, if you engage on this project and you really want to get the pre-qualification code, I am giving us my single strategy that I used that worked for me in getting the code. Once it's 2 p.m. Nigerian time in the afternoon, log into your CEXY portal and make sure that your network device is strong and suitable. Do not log out from the portal. Keep on anticipating and waiting for the CEXY code to drop. Once it drop and you put it, and be very fast in doing so, I believe if we apply this strategy, we will all succeed. If you wait the code to draw before logging in, you will miss out as there is no time to do so. So the time is short. I believe this will help. Exactly, the time is short. So this is the strategy that he used that helped him. He logged into the bot before they release the code. Was it bot or website before they release the code? Because I personally, I was there immediately they dropped the code. I logged in, but I couldn't log in. I was just hanging. That place they say get started, I couldn't even, the get started wasn't even clickable. I was there till more than 30 minutes. When I finally logged in, they said the code has been expired. So this is what Gideon did. He said he logged in before they release the code, so that by so doing he's already on the site, so he can easily join with the code, and he will get it. So since these people are sharing the code secretly, today is now 31K plus that already succeeded, and they have the limit, which is 1 million. So if you really want to gain this pre-qualification airdrop, you have to log into the bot and wait for them to release the code. Right now there are still technical work ongoing, but we believe for the best. But since they are releasing the code secretly, we don't know what might happen. Before they may even release tomorrow, the code, the qualified users might even reach 40K. So that is what I want to tell you. You see why I told you to join my WhatsApp group? I have elites, I have crypto gurus in my small channel. I'm still, it's not easy to get people that are giving suggestions, carrying the group along, not only the admin. I have people that are making the group lively. If you don't mind, join our WhatsApp group and you will not regret being there. So that is it for this video. I hope you have got value on this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification for more updates. Thank you guys, and see you guys in our next video.